Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make farmers' dog-style food. Preparing fresh, human-grade meals for your furry friend can be incredibly rewarding. It allows you to control every ingredient, ensuring a balanced and nutritious diet tailored to their unique needs. We will cover everything from selecting the best components to proper storage, helping you provide wholesome food for your beloved companion. For a balanced meal, start with a lean protein, such as 1 pound of ground turkey or beef, cooked thoroughly. Incorporate healthy carbohydrates like 2 cups of cooked brown rice or quinoa. Add a variety of finely chopped vegetables, perhaps 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of spinach, and 1 cup of sweet potatoes. Don't forget a tablespoon of healthy oil, like sunflower or salmon oil, and a vet-approved nutrient blend for completeness. The preparation is straightforward. First, cook your chosen protein, like ground turkey, in a large pot until it is no longer pink. Separately, steam or lightly boil your vegetables until they are tender but still retain some firmness. Once cooked, combine the meat, vegetables, and grains in the large pot. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure an even distribution of nutrients. Allow the entire mixture to cool completely before moving to the next step. Proper storage is crucial for freshness and safety. Divide the cooled dog food into individual meal portions using airtight containers or freezer-safe bags. You can store refrigerated portions for up to 3 to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze batches for up to 3 months. Always label each container with the preparation date to easily track freshness. Thaw frozen portions in the refrigerator overnight before serving to your dog.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.